Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate an AI-based pothole detection system developed using YOLO, Python and Tkinter. This system can detect potholes from images and videos and estimate their distance from the camera and work with an admin login for security. So let's get started. And the project overview is road damage and potholes are the major causes of accident and vehicle damages. Our solution uses deep learning to automate detecting potholes from images and videos. And the key features in this project are admin login system, YOLO VI based pothole detection, and image and video predictions and distance estimating, and user friendly GUI using Tkinter. Click on run file to open the admin login page. So here it will be displayed admin login page, and where the credentials are admin and password is admin. After click on login. Then next it will display the dashboard, and where you can see the load model, load image, detect potholes, predict from videos. And then next, if you want to save the images, you can save, and if you click on exit, the project will be wind up. So by clicking on load model, it will open the file manager, and you need to upload the model, that is best11.pt file, and then click on open. Okay, here you can see that the model is loaded. So the next, click on load image. If you click on load image, if you want to, so click on 6th image and click on open. So I was uploaded this photo. Then next, click on wrong button. Then next, click on predict pothole for prediction of pothole in image. So here is the pothole detected. So the next, if you want to predict from the video, click on predict from the video and then upload the video. So it will start predicting the potholes and with the estimated distance also. So if I am trying to click on wrong button, it is again appearing. If you want to wind up this video, you need to click on Q. Q is for exit. So if you click on Q, so video detection is completed. So if you want to save that image, you can click on save, and you can give certain names, and then image. Then next, click on save. So image saved successfully. If you want to log out from this project, you can click on exit. So that's all about project. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.